You want to get a plan on the backyard? Because really we can take this out and unload it. Let's go look at the backyard real quick and get an idea on, because I want to show you what I'm thinking we're gonna have to do to get that pool house out of there. So what I'm thinking, we should get all of everything out of here. That's probably last. Because I think what we're gonna have to do is come in here. Might have to bring the other forklift down here. This one here, I don't think is quite as tall as the other one.
We're gonna have to get rid of our trees.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to chop that one down. But what I was thinking we might have to do is come in here with the Bobcat or whatever. Got my backhoe here and dig all this out so we can get in over here and get that. What do you think?
Probably.
Yeah, we're gonna move the building out of here and try to get it back to Goodsprings. It's 15 feet wide, I think. So it's not as wide as the gas station, but it's still pretty wide. Might have to do the little midnight ride. So, but what I was thinking is we probably had to go, we might have to nub that tree off all the way down. Damn it, I love that tree.
No, it's probably the coolest one.
It's the coolest damn tree. I hate cutting that tree up. Wish I could transplant that thing. But we had to snatch that gas pump out of here. We'll grab the lights. We'll get all this shit. We'll get that out of here. I'll probably come in here and clean a bunch of this out so we can get over there with the forklift and get in here. Have to pull all that stuff out of there.
What are you gonna try to do? You gonna try to walk it out, or are you gonna knock the wall down?
I think we're gonna do the same thing. Come in like this, pick it up. Maybe, I don't know how we're gonna. Maybe we could knock the wall down probably.
Yeah, how are we gonna get in it? Get under it from two different sides, I guess. Unless we completely dig all this out, which we're gonna have to do anyway. But yeah. I mean, like,
yeah, all that.
All of it. We're gonna have to get the backhoe probably.
Yeah, we might have to bring the backhoe down here, dig all this shit out. You're right. It's just too cool to leave, you know? It'll take us a good day to get it out, or a couple days probably by the time we get to it, but the only way to do is get under it and lift it like we did the other one.
Is it bolted down to them?
I don't remember. I don't remember if I bolted them or if they're just sitting on there. Maybe this one's just sitting on there because I thought one of them when we built it, I didn't anchor it. But maybe
the last one was anchored. We had to cut through the floor.
We got to reach. We could reach up under there and fill.
Yeah.
I just want to get a plan. That's why I was trying to get all that done first, so it's done. Because I mean, it's gonna take, you know, it's gonna take some work. Man, it's got good trees over it right now. Keeps it nice and cool in there. You ever been in there?
Oh yeah.
Check this out.
That's where I've been sleeping the last 3 days.
Good?
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty pimped out. It's a nice little, that's why you don't want to get rid of it.
Yeah, this is sick.
We don't want to leave it because, I mean, literally, I think we can pick it up with everything in it too. Just set it on TV, everything. All we got to do is get Billy to disconnect the power. And then we need to get him to figure out how to run power to it over there.
We need to go find a spot for it.
That's another thing. We got to build a spot for
it. Which worst case, we could throw it on those jack stands like we did the last one.
Yeah, so it's going to take a little bit of work, but we can't leave it.
No.
Too many fun memories in this thing.
Favorite memory in this?
Oh,
Your head.
I don't know if I want to get into that. It's nice because the air works so good in here. You can get in here and take a nap. You know, if you want, or chill out in the summertime. It's right by the pool. It was a really cool little setup, but now it's just kind of screwed. I was gonna move it. Hopefully I don't hurt it, but it's pretty solid. It should be pretty solid built like that other one, so it should come up easy. See, you'll have a front door and a back door, so like maybe rearrange it in here, put the bed over there.
Right.
Well, you can't. It's weird how it's set up. Well, let's get out of here before I like that air too much. Poor pool. Not getting no attention. If I didn't keep up on it all the time, that's what it would do right there. That's gonna be the hardest part. I can get all these cars out of here in a fucking half a day, quarter a day.
Yeah. We're gonna have to dig that whole area out
Yeah.
behind there where that car's sitting.
Yep. And then we might have to dig in and break these rocks off. So I think it goes up onto the, I don't know if it's anchored into it or not. I don't think so, but it might be. We gotta get in and get that Model A out of here. We're gonna have to cut that tree off so we can drive right through there.
The water out of the pool for our water back there.
Kick that on and just flood it.
Yeah,
Flood
as
that
we're
whole
doing,
thing.
they're
Yeah.
working.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Or I guess we got enough hoses too.
Well, that hose is clear up there long. Pump it all the way out there, easily put it up there and just let it run. Soak that dirt down really good. Just bring my backhoe in. Get these 57 Chevys moved.
So what are we gonna do with those? Cause aren't you getting rid of
Well,
them?
one of them a guy wants for parts. That 57 over there doesn't have, look at the old headlights are still on that car.
Yep.
These are kind of a little bit rotten in the quarters, but I think the blue one's actually a better car. That one just kind of,
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
you could shit in that if you wanted to.
Yeah, if you wanted to. It wouldn't fall in a hole, it'd just hit the ground.
Let's get the real, it's got shit in there. You shit in there. That was a good shitter too. That thing's got a good door on it. Probably gonna have to cut a few trees down and get the shit out of here. These trees weren't here when I put this in here. Get that Packard out of here. Probably take these, whatever we don't use, I'll probably take them to JR's.
What?
These 57s.
I thought you were trading them for some stuff.
Well, I was for another Ford truck, but I don't know how he wants, I don't know how bad the front quarter panels are on this one.
Oh.
I gotta find it with a good front clip. This one's got some rust in it. That one does a little bit. So I don't know. Like all that kind of stuff, we can start loading it up. What we'll do is we'll get Billy, John, you, me, Juice. And we'll just start, we'll get, like, let me set a day up and we'll just go to town on this sucker till it's over. I think we can do it all. We could get most of the backyard tore down in a day. It's the, I'll tie a tie rope right here, cut that sucker off, and we'll go just pile them up. And then we'll nub it off, or if I, need the backhoe, I can dig it out. Those rocks are gonna be a bitch. I can get a lot of those out with my forklift, I guess.
We're leaving those though, aren't we? How are we gonna get it out is the thing. We're gonna have to knock the wall down?
Take this wall out, but I mean, I know this thing's in the way, but this is probably the hardest one because it's grouted solid. But we could probably break the wall out with the backhoe and then get a nice open way to get out of here. Probably pull a lot of it over with the backhoe.
Probably can do a lot of this with the backhoe.
Well, at least we know we need to get that here. Need to bring it down here. But I'm wondering if we go unload that tonight, if we ought to just put that backhoe on there.
Probably.
Yeah. Good. That'll work. Good. Where are we going? I'm gonna take this to Goodsprings. We're just gonna go unload all this. Bring this for tomorrow. We're gonna need it. Gotta tear a bunch of shit down to get to that pool house. So it's a lot of back and forth with equipment.
At least you got your son here to help you this time.
Right now, maybe I can get him for a couple weeks, and I gotta leave anyway. Oh yeah, it's nice to have a little mini-me. Makes it get shit done quicker. Saves me a lot of steps. I'd be out doing that right now. Move the truck. Saved me 20 minutes just now. By the time I would have walked around back and forth and all the bullshit, right, 20 minutes. We're ready. I can get shit done with this backhoe. Get all that dug around the house and get this dug out pretty good with this thing. So really, I mean, it's just demo. We got to take the wall out, move some shit around, cut these trees down, pull it out.